There's a verse in the Bible where it says, your God is one. Oh yeah, Israel, your God is one. Echad. And echad in the Bible in the Hebrew is not one as number. Echad in the Bible, which is the same as ahad. The origin of the word is coming from the Aramaic. So, oh you Israel, your God is one. Because the word there one is echad, ahad, which means that even in the old Hebrew, the Trinity is there. The Bible says, let me show you, let me see if I can show it to you in Hebrew. I want to show you in Hebrew. Hold on, give me a second. This is in the Hebrew, in the original language. Shema, you Israel, Adonai Elohim, Adonai Echad. Your Lord is one. But here Echad is a word, does not present a number, it does present a unity. This is why we see that the Bible in the Old Testament and in the New Testament says that the man he marry, the man and the women they marry, and after marriage they became echad. The echad mean a unity, not one person as a person, as individual, as much it is a unity, and that appear in many verses in the Bible, as you see. And this is what echad always come with. You see the verses, and this is what the word echad always appear. Like as an example here, they become echad, which mean what? One. It's about unity. It's not about a person as one, as number. And this is what the Trinity is about. It's not about a number. 3 persons, 1 God. Look how many times the word echad repeated in the Hebrew Bible. All of this. Do you understand?